Hey everybody, I just finished my first ever Horses and Mindfulness workshop with Jessie, Matt, and Alaya. And this is just an absolutely wonderful opportunity to connect with these animals in a safe environment, to physically connect, spiritually connect psychologically. And if you are interested in this sort of thing, you should definitely check it out. So many of us are really trying so desperately to get back to nature, and this is such a wonderful opportunity to do that. This property and the land itself, it's so beautiful and so grounding. And then the horses themselves, their energy is deep and it is slow, and when you resonate with it, it can really be a life-changing experience.
It might be mutual.